Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle rain on the roof, but you're not at home. You're parked beside a quiet lake, the morning mist floating just outside your window. Coffee in hand, warm light spilling through the blinds, and your entire world packed neatly behind you. That's the beauty of the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Delano 24XL, a luxury Class E RV that promises not just a way to travel, but a way to live. In today's review, we'll take you inside this $149,995 motorhome to explore what makes it one of the most talked-about rigs in the Class C lineup, from its smart Mercedes-Benz engineering to the surprisingly upscale interior touches that make it feel more like a boutique apartment on wheels. Let's step inside the 2026 Delano 24XL and see if it truly delivers a luxury lifestyle it promises. That's the beauty of the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Delano 24XL, a luxury Class C RV that promises not just a way to travel, but a way to live. The moment you see the Delano 24XL, it's clear this isn't just another Class C RV built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. It combines German precision with American craftsmanship. The exterior design is sleek, aerodynamic, and compact enough to handle city streets, yet bold enough to turn heads on the open highway. You'll notice the smooth fiberglass sidewalls, elegant graphics package, and the signature Delano front cap that gives it that distinct upscale appearance. At just over 25 feet long, it's impressively maneuverable, meaning you can park at campgrounds or even tighter scenic spots without feeling limited by size. There's also a power awning with integrated LED lighting, exterior storage compartments for your gear, and optional solar panels up top to keep your adventures off-grid and eco-friendly. And with a Mercedes 3.0L V6 diesel engine under the hood, producing around 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, this rig isn't just about comfort. It's about confidence on every kind of terrain. Now, step inside, and the difference is immediate. The Delano 24XL welcomes you into a cabin that feels airy, bright, and intentionally designed for long-term comfort. Up front, the Mercedes cockpit blends technology and simplicity. You get MBUX touchscreen infotainment, navigation, voice command, and adaptive cruise control. Every drive feels smooth, controlled, and premium, exactly what you'd expect from Mercedes-Benz. Moving back, you'll find a large living area that cleverly transforms to maximize space. The Dream Dinette slides out, creating extra room for lounging or dining. The seating is wrapped in soft-touch leatherette, with precise stitching that subtly reinforces a luxury tone. Look above. Soft LED lighting lines the ceiling, while large panoramic windows invite natural light throughout the day. The effect is both cozy and modern, a small home that feels anything but cramped. In the kitchen, Thor has done something special. They've managed to blend high-end design with genuine practicality. You get a 2-burner gas cooktop, a convection microwave, solid surface countertops, and a deep stainless steel sink. There's even a recessed cover for extra prep space, something full-time travelers will definitely appreciate. The fridge is a generous dual-door 12V unit, keeping food and drinks cool even on long hauls. Every cabinet is soft-close, and the drawers have that satisfying precision when they glide shut. Small details, but they make a big difference when you're living on the road. It's the kind of kitchen that invites you to actually cook, not just reheat leftovers. Now, to the rear of the coach, this is where Thor's smart design really shines. The Delano 24XL offers a rear twin-bed layout that easily converts into a queen-size sleeping area using a filler cushion. That flexibility makes it perfect for couples or solo travelers who need adaptable space. The mattresses are plush and supportive, with reading lights, USB ports, and individual storage compartments, all within reach. It's thoughtfully designed for winding down after a long day of travel, quiet, comfortable, and private. Above the cab, there's an additional bunk area that can serve as a sleeping zone for guests or extra storage. Combined, you can easily sleep up to 4 people without feeling like you're giving up personal space. Step into the bathroom, and again, Thor has made smart use of space. You'll find a curved shower with a skylight, offering extra headroom and natural light. The residential-style vanity, porcelain foot-flush toilet, and ample cabinet storage make it genuinely usable day-to-day. Even small touches, like the mirror lighting and water-efficient fixtures, remind you this RV isn't built for compromise. It's built for lifestyle. Now, Behind the scenes, the 24XL is packed with intelligent systems. You get a 30-amp electrical service, a 3.6 kilowatts LP generator, and optional 200W solar charging for those who love boondocking. The Truma AquaGo Comfort Water Heater delivers endless hot water, no more rationing your showers, while the 14,500 BTU air conditioner keeps the cabin cool even on the hottest days. Everything is controlled through Thor's multiplex wiring system, with a digital touch panel that lets you monitor your lights, tanks, and power levels all in one place. It's the kind of tech integration that makes full-time living feel seamless. So what really sets the 2026 Delano 24XL apart? First, the Sprinter foundation. It's not just reliable, it's refined. The drive feels quiet, stable, and far smoother than most gas-based Class CS. Second, the attention to detail inside. From the cabinetry finish to the lighting tone, everything feels elevated. It's less RV camping and more mini luxury condo on wheels. And finally, the price-to-value ratio. At $149,995, it competes directly with larger, less efficient rigs, yet offers better drivability, fuel economy, and overall refinement. You're not just paying for features, you're paying for feel. And that's what makes the Delano stand out. Picture this. You've parked overlooking the ocean at sunset. The light hits the polished interior just right. Dinner's cooking, soft music plays, and every convenience of home surrounds you, yet you're hundreds of miles away from a routine. That's what the Delano 24XL gives you, not just a vehicle, but the freedom to create your own horizon. Whether it's a weekend escape or months on the road, this motorhome invites you to slow down, explore, and rediscover the meaning of comfort. So, what do you think? Does a 2026 Thor Delano 24XL justify its $149,000 price tag? Would you choose this over a Class B van or a larger Super C? Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to know which motorhome layout you think strikes the perfect balance of size and luxury. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews, real-world walkthroughs, and lifestyle stories from the road. Until next time, travel smart, live free, and I'll see you in the next one.